Do you want to know about 7 benefits and 7 harms of cherry seeds for the elderly? What are chia seeds and why are they important for the elderly? How does modern science view chia seeds? Why are these seeds so useful for the elderly? In today's video, we will talk about this miraculous seed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a video. Chia seeds, Salvia hispanica, are the fruit of a plant that has long been cultivated in Mexico and Central America. Thousands of years ago, the Aztecs and Mayans used them as food, medicine, and even in rituals. The word chia means strength in the ancient language, Nahuatl. This is not without reason, because the seeds contain a lot of substances necessary for energy, health, and longevity. Today, the world's leading medical and nutritional centers call chia seeds a superfood. Superfood is a food that contains a high amount of nutrients and has great health benefits. Harvard Health Publishing, Mayo Clinic and other sources emphasize, chia seeds are a source of omega-3 that protects the heart, a powerful antioxidant, a natural fiber that normalizes bowel function, a storehouse of calcium and magnesium for bones. Several natural changes occur in the human body during old age, including bone density decreases, which increases the risk of osteoporosis. Blood vessels become less elastic, the likelihood of heart attacks increases. The immune system weakens, frequent colds and inflammations occur. Digestion slows down, constipation problems arise. Chia seeds are a natural remedy that helps alleviate these problems. They strengthen bones, support heart function, activate the intestines and protect the body from inflammation. Despite its small size, chia seeds are a storehouse of nutrients essential for health. Dry chia seeds contain protein, fat, carbohydrates, fiber, water, vitamins and minerals, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, iron, B vitamins. Protein, the building block of our body. Protein is essential for renewing our cells and maintaining muscle. Muscle mass naturally decreases with age, sarcopenia, which increases the risk of weakness and falls. Plant protein in chia seeds helps maintain muscle, accelerates wound healing, supports immune system cells. According to research in the Journal of Nutrition, muscle strength is better maintained if older adults consume at least 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Chia seeds may be one of these protein sources. Omega-3 fatty acids are friends of the heart and brain. Chia seeds are mostly made up of an omega-3 fatty acid called alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3 keeps blood vessels elastic, reduces inflammation, balances cholesterol levels, supports brain function. According to data from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, regular consumption of omega-3 can reduce fiber is a bowel cleansing mechanism. The fiber in chia seeds improves the digestive process. Prevents constipation, nourishes beneficial intestinal bacteria, slows down the sharp rise in blood sugar. Constipation is a very common problem among the elderly. When chia seeds are mixed with water, they form a gel-like substance, which ensures a slow and gentle passage of food through the intestines. Calcium and magnesium, bone foundation in old age, bone density decreases, which leads to frequent fractures. Calcium, the main material of bones and teeth. Magnesium participates in the delivery of calcium to bones and the transmission of nerve impulses. Scientific explanation: 100 grams of chia seeds contain 631 milligrams of calcium, almost 5 times more than in milk. Phosphorus and zinc, cell generators. Phosphorus is involved in the creation of ATP molecules that produce energy in cells. Zinc is necessary for the immune system and wound healing. Antioxidants, aging breaks. Chia seeds contain powerful antioxidants such as quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and camphorol. They detoxify free radicals, reduce cell damage, help maintain skin elasticity longer. 7 benefits of cherry seeds for the elderly. 1. Supports heart health. Chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids. The risk of cardiovascular disease increases with age. Omega-3 makes blood vessels soft and elastic, reduces inflammation and lowers the level of bad cholesterol, LDL. Scientific evidence: according to a study published in the journal Circulation, omega-3 consumption reduces the risk of heart attacks by 20%. 2. Balances blood sugar. Insulin sensitivity decreases in old age, which increases the risk of diabetes. The fiber in chia seeds slows down the digestion of food, so blood sugar levels do not rise sharply. Scientific evidence: in a study conducted by a Canadian university, blood sugar levels of type 2 diabetic patients who consumed 37 grams of chia seeds per day for 12 weeks significantly decreased. 3. Strengthens bones. Chia seeds are very rich in calcium, magnesium and phosphorus. In old age, the risk of osteoporosis increases, bones break easily. While calcium is the main material of bones, magnesium is important for its delivery to bones, and phosphorus is necessary for their structure. Interesting fact, 100 grams of chia seeds contain 5 times more calcium than milk. 4. Improves bowel function. Constipation is a common problem among the elderly. The soluble and insoluble fibers in chia seeds help food pass through the intestine smoothly, nourish beneficial bacteria and improve intestinal microflora. Scientific evidence. According to the British Journal of Nutrition, fibrous foods reduce the risk of constipation by 40%. 5. Increases energy and focus. Chia seeds are rich in protein and B vitamins. Protein strengthens muscles, and B vitamins are involved in the process of energy production in cells. This helps reduce fatigue in the elderly. Scientific evidence. Mayan warriors drank a drink made from chia seeds before running long distances. 6. Slows down the aging process. The antioxidants in chia seeds, quercetin, camphorol, neutralize free radicals. Free radicals damage cells, increase skin wrinkles, and cause internal organs to age faster. Antioxidants slow down this process. Scientific evidence. Studies in the Journal of Food Science and Technology have shown that chia seeds have a higher antioxidant level than many other grains. 7. Helps control weight. Metabolism slows down in old age, which makes it easier to gain weight. When chia seeds are mixed with water, they form a gel, increasing their volume by 10 to 12 times. It fills the stomach and makes you feel full faster. Scientific evidence. In a 6-month clinical study, the group that took a diet supplemented with chia seeds lost more weight than the other group. 7 harmful benefits of cherry seeds for the elderly. 1. Eating too much can cause digestive problems. Chia seeds are very high in fiber, 34 to 40 grams per 100 grams. If eaten in large quantities, bloating, gas, diarrhea or constipation may occur. If fiber is in excess, it can disrupt bowel function and increase the risk of dehydration. 2. Effect on blood clotting. Omega-3 fatty acids slightly slow blood clotting. If an elderly person is taking blood-thinning medications, warfarin, aspirin, etc., eating too much chia seeds may increase the risk of bleeding. If you are taking medication, you should discuss the dosage with your doctor. 3. Possible allergic reactions. Although allergies to chia seeds are rare, some people may experience the following symptoms: itchy skin, rash, swelling of the lips and tongue, difficulty breathing. Scientific explanation. This often occurs in people who are allergic to other plant seeds, such as sesame. 4. Lower blood pressure. Omega-3 and magnesium can naturally lower blood pressure. If a person's blood pressure is already low or they are taking blood pressure medication, it can drop too low. Tip: those with blood pressure below 90/60 should be careful. 5. Can cause blood sugar levels to drop too low. Chia seeds lower blood sugar, which is good for diabetics. However, if a person is taking insulin or blood sugar lowering medications, it can cause blood sugar levels to drop too low. This condition is called hypoglycemia. Symptoms: dizziness, tremors, cold sweat, fainting. 6. Risk of constipation. If not drunk with enough water. Chia seeds absorb water very quickly and increase in volume. If eaten dry in large quantities and not drunk with enough water, they can become blocked in the esophagus or stomach. Tip: always consume chia seeds soaked or mixed with a drink. 7. Interaction with certain medications. Chia seeds may increase or decrease the effect of the following medications: blood thinners, blood sugar lowering medications, blood pressure lowering medications. Therefore, it is important for older people who take regular medications to consult a doctor first. Recommended safe intake for seniors: 15 to 25 grams per day, about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons. If you have not eaten before, start with 5 grams and gradually increase. The Canadian Nutrition Centre recommends that seniors gradually introduce high-fiber foods, giving their intestines time to adjust. The following is the most convenient way to prepare chia seeds for seniors: soaked, 1 tablespoon chia seeds plus 100 to 150 milliliters of water or milk, soaked for 30 minutes or overnight. Added to yogurt, stir into ready-made yogurt, let stand for at least 10 minutes. Added to porridge and porridge, add to hot porridge at the end of cooking. Tip: do not eat large amounts dry, as there is a risk of constipation. When is the best time to eat? Breakfast gives energy, activates bowel function. 2 hours before dinner gives a feeling of satiety, reduces overeating at night. What products do they go well with? Milk and yogurt, increase calcium absorption. Fruits, bananas, strawberries, improve calcium and iron absorption with vitamin C. Oatmeal or oat porridge, a combination of fiber improves bowel health. Special recipes for the elderly. 1. Chia yogurt cocktail: 1 cup kefir, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 banana, blend in a blender and drink in the morning. 2. Chia honey porridge: 200 milliliters milk or almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon honey, mix in hot porridge and let it brew for 10 minutes. 3. Vitamin chia smoothie: 1 cup orange juice, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, half cup strawberries, blend in a blender and drink as is. 6. Water intake: it is very important to increase your water intake when consuming chia seeds. Drinking 1.5 to 2 liters of water a day keeps your bowel movements balanced. If you are taking blood thinners or blood sugar lowering medications, if you have food allergies, if your blood pressure is very low, if you have previously experienced food blockage problems, you should consult a doctor. During our conversation today, we talked about the benefits and possible harms of chia seeds, especially the precautions for consuming them with medications, in a scientifically based, simple and understandable way. You now know that chia seeds can be beneficial for the cardiovascular system, digestion, bones and muscles, memory and immunity. But also, elderly people who take blood thinners, anti-diabetic drugs or blood pressure lowering drugs should definitely be careful. Therefore, if you are taking medication regularly, you should definitely consult your doctor before adding chia seeds to your daily diet. This will be the best way for your safety and health. Remember, any useful plant or product is beneficial when consumed in moderation. Excessive or improper use can cause harm. Dear friends, your health is your most valuable asset. Take care of yourself, eat right, and most importantly, listen to your body. If this topic was useful to you, don't forget to share the video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss future health tips. Be healthy, always live happily, and until we meet again, goodbye, dear seniors.